Hello friends, welcome in my JavaScript beginners tutorial. In this video we're going to see how to create an array and how to access that array. Okay, that's going to be very fun. I already have my HTML and it's a kind of boilerplate. It's not much in HTML. We're going to create our script tag in the body. Script. Okay. And inside the script tab I'm going to write or I'm going to create an array. But before we start, what is the difference between creating 2 or 3 different variable and creating array? So when we create 2 or 3 different variable, right, so that's stored in a different or like a random access memory, that's going to be different location. Okay, if we create a array and if we store in array, so that's going to be in a sequence. Okay, and it will be easy to grab because we can grab that by one variable, and I'm going to show you by practical. Okay, so how to create an array? Let array, that's name of my array, equal to and square bracket, and inside we're going to specify our values. Okay, so let's say 1 4 5 7 9 or 8, whatever. Okay, so these are my array. So let's say if I want to create a variable, how I used to do it, so I create 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm creating 4. Instead I can do just like this. Okay, and by the only array I'm going to grab this value. How? I'm going to show you. And remember guys, when it is an array, the index number start with a 0. So if someone tell me like how to access number 1, okay, so that's the index of 0. Okay, array index of 0 and the 4 index of 1. So 0 1 2 3 4, and the value is 1 2 3 4 5. So value start with 1, index start with 0. Okay, how are we going to access? Let's start. So document dot write array index of 0. Why? Because we're going to print number 1. Okay, the first value, and let's check. And you can see that's number 1. And now if you want to access number 4, how are we going to do it? So I'm going to specify 1. Okay, index of 1, because 0 1, and that's 4. What about 8? So 0 1 2 3 and 4. I'm going to save, and now it's 8. So how about access them by everyone, right? So we're going to use a loop for, and we know how to create a loop. Let j equal to 0. Why I say 0? Because its index start with a 0. Okay, 0 j is less than array dot length. Okay, and j plus plus. And I'm going to specify over here, instead of 4 I would say j. So what that means, it start with a 0, index number 0. It will loop through until the array of, if j is less than array of length. Okay, so that's my length. So basically start with a 0. It's check if it is a less than array dot length. Yes, that's going to print 1, j plus plus. So it means my index become 1. So that's number 4. Okay, so it's check if it is the index. So it sets the index number is 1. Index number 1 is less than array dot length. Yes, then it's good print, and it goes on. Okay, until it hit the last point. And for better, we're going to add some break statement, so it's going to print in a different line. Okay, 1 4 5 7 8, 1 4 5 7 8. So that's how you're going to loop through that one. The another thing what we can do, but we're going to create another video for that one. So let's say if you want to, you know, pop or push, so let's say you want to add from the last, okay, you want to pull out the value from the last, you want to add the value in a front, you want to remove from the front, you want to sort this array. How you're going to do it, we will see in the next video. Hope you like it. If you like, please like, share and subscribe, and we will see you in next video. Bye bye.